Right. If you try to observe here, next one is we need to understand where you can write some small notes you want to maintain. We are going to write in the Notepad, right? I recommend instead of the Notepad, install the Notepad plus plus. Notepad plus plus has some extra advantages. Even you can highlight the hyperlink. Even you can go and you can type the Markdown language. There are all languages supported by Notepad plus plus. So how to use it? We are going to write some programs using Notepad plus plus. The software also free of cost. You can click on here, download and install. We'll get one website. This is what the Notepad 7.8.2 release. There you can click on this one. Then you can see one software you are going to get it, download it and install Notepad plus plus also. And purely it is optional. It's not mandatory. Mandatory is only one software, that is Anaconda installation. Installing Notepad plus plus is optional. However, I recommend this one because down the line, here and there, I will be using it. Okay. So regular Notepad, whatever you got with operating system, has less amount of functionalities. So I recommend to go with the Notepad plus plus. Please try to install that one.